Ken has a follow-up question. He said you advised him, based on another question, to wait until his VAWA is over to file for divorce. So I'm filing for my kid's custody, and my lawyer was telling me just to file for divorce with the custody because it's still going to cost me just as much if I did it later. What's your stance on that?
Well, those are two different things. If you're asking me how you save money, get divorced and do the custody at the same time. If you're asking me what's the smartest thing for immigration, don't get divorced yet. Want to know why? Because as soon as you file a divorce, you've now put a statute of limitations on your VAWA application. The day you get divorced, you have 2 years in which to get your green card through a VAWA application. Now, that doesn't mean 2 years to actually get it. It means 2 years to file. You've already filed for it. So assuming your VAWA application is going to get approved, whether you start a divorce today or in 6 months or in a year from now, it doesn't really matter. What I have seen is this. People file their VAWA application. It takes 2 years for immigration to process, sometimes 2.5 years for immigration to process the VAWA applications. You start a divorce a few months after you file your VAWA application. 2 years goes by, you're divorced, everything looks going great on the VAWA application. You go for your interview and you realize you're missing a document. You realize your medical is no good anymore. You realize you checked the wrong box, whatever it is, they deny you. So what's the solution when all this happens? You just refile it again, no problem. Oh, wait a second, you got divorced more than 2 years ago. You just gave yourself a statute of limitations. You can't refile again. So I'm telling you not to do it.